Hi everyone, this is Rita from Lantech, the marketing representative. We are the manufacturer with over 15 years experience of producing the packaging machine. Okay, today I'm going to introduce our multilane packaging machine, which is suitable for the small bags with high capacity. Generally, we can customize the machine from 4 layers to 12 layers according to your requirements. Okay, today I'm going to introduce our 6-layer granule packaging machine for 4 size bags. Okay, let's go to check the details of this machine. Okay, let's go to see this machine from top to the bottom. Okay, come with me. The top is our storage tank. It's about 80 liters. Okay, now let's move to this part. You can see the 6 hopper here. These are the volumetric cups to measure the weight. You can adjust the weight a little by these screws. Just about 1 gram or 2 gram adjustment. Okay. Then it will fill into the bag. Okay. Here is the cutter to flip the bag. Okay, and you see the rolls here is to pull the film to the bottom. Okay. And here is the cutter to seal the bag. You can see the bag here is 4 sides with very nice sealing. And one thing please take attention, the bag width is fixed, cannot adjust, and you can adjust the bag length by touch screen. Now let's go to the right side of this machine. Here is the air shaft to fix the film. When the machine delivers to your factory, you can see here, we will cut the film from here. So when the machine reaches to your factory, you don't need to fix all this film. You just need to connect by here. It's very easy for you to control. Okay, now let's turn to this part. Here, you can see the date printers. And here is the temperature controller to control the date printer. Okay, and here, you can see the date which is printed by the printers. It's very clear. Okay, now let's go to check our electrical box. From here, all the brands we use are the world famous. This one is our PLC. The Mitsubishi brand from Japan is very famous. And here is Panasonic servo motor control. And this one is Omron. Okay, now let's turn to here. This is the electrical box which will be shipping with the machine. These are spare parts and some tools for you to install this machine. All of them are free for you. Okay, here is our touch screen. You can choose different language here. Now let's enter with English. Here is our auto page. You can set the bag length and the speed here. It's very easy. You just need to enter the numbers you want and click enter. That's okay. After set the balance, let's turn back to the auto page. All the parameters we already set before delivery. So when this machine reaches to your factory, you just need to click auto run. Okay, that's all today. If you have any questions on this machine, just feel free to contact us. We will offer you the relative solution and give you some suggestions and supply you the best packaging machine solutions. Okay, see you next time. Bye.